What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Shira254, man, and you tuned in to another one. Man, this finna be the most lit video on YouTube because of what's in this box. Let's get into it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven.
Alright, so the next ball up for replacement. I'm sorry, y'all. It's hot. It's summertime. I had to turn that fan on. I apologize in advance. So, for the next ball, it's going to be these bad boy right here. The amber joints, I believe. Let me open a box. Let me see what I'm working with. It might be the tail lights. Let me see what these is. Hold on. Okay, so I owe y'all an apology. It wasn't actually the blinker bulb or the turn signal, which is amber. These is my reverse bulbs for my reverse lights, and these right here is gonna be for my turn signals. So I'm gonna have to pop the trunk on the Chevy, and get them things installed. Let me show you what we're gonna work with. So these bulbs right here, the link to all the bulbs will be down in the description box below. 2057, 2357 DC 12 volts. Good price. If they work anything like them little 194s I just put in, man, they're gonna be awesome. So let me find the packages. I'm gonna go to the back of the Chevy, get them installed, and I'm gonna show you like a before and a after. Ooh. You might need some assisted lighting, to be honest with you. I'm gonna go get that light. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the back of the car, man. Got a light set up, like a lights, hot trunk waiting for it. This is also brought to you by Bulbls. Not officially, but she here. So, being that they didn't send me enough bulbs to do both sides, I'm gonna show you a comparison video, one side to the other. I think I'm gonna do the driver side first. I'll do the driver side in LED, and then this side I'll leave that regular. Matter of fact, I think I can go ahead and replace the damn tail light too. And put that 194 off in there so y'all can get that one in the LED too. So the tail light will be LED. Everything on the left will be LED, but the right side will still be standard. Y'all be the judge, and y'all let me know what y'all think. Alright, so let me move the little stanky leg so he can do his thing. So yeah, man, I don't think it's so tough for this here, man. But like I said, I'm gonna work with what I got. You know what I'm saying? To get y'all the results, man. Get y'all this review. You know what I'm saying? If you like how these things perform, man, I'm gonna put the link. The link gonna be in the description box below, man. You go get you a pair. reverse. And then these are all the double ones. So we're gonna get these pulled out and get them LEDs put in, and we'll cut you back on. Alright, so all the bulbs installed without an issue except for this one. This one doesn't seem to have the base to clear to where it'll twist in there. So I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna just see if it'll light up and go from there. I was trying to do something. So you may have fitment issues with some of these bulbs. We experienced it with this 1157, 1156 bulb. It wouldn't fit in there the right way. Also, we experienced it. Well, I guess it depends on the housing of what it goes in. We experienced it with this tail light bulb. We did get the LED in there, however, I ended up breaking my housing. So, I'll turn it on and see what it looks I mean, the lights look good. However, depending upon your application, you may run into some fitment issues. Y'all let me know in the comments, man. When I changed out the driver's side, man, I felt like I wasn't really getting when I hit the brake, it didn't really seem like it was getting braked. Oh yeah, I did take that one out the box. I have it on the passenger side. Plug it back into the door. Alright, so I got that one. Got that one plugged back in. So yeah, it might be because of them side lights down there, or I want to say when it's actually running, you got the headlights on. Drop it down in the comments, y'all let me know. See, on this one, it don't look like that middle one blinking. I might have to go back and forth with it. Got the LED on the tail light, on the license plate, so they can see me. Coming along though. But until the next time, man, y'all know what it is. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Hold on, y'all might not can see me. I need light too, so remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely in productivity or procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.